everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shireen. It's lockdown time and we all are missing shopping. So here I've got a little haul video. I bought this stuff in December. This was an online shopping which I did from India. I went to India and bought a few of the things. I'll be showing you whatever I'll grab in my hand, and I'll give you the description somewhere on the screen because I really don't remember the price and from which website I bought it, because I gathered. This is my cat, I'm so sorry, because I gather things from various websites, as it is so easy to get everything online rather than shopping from the shop. But right now I'm really missing to go in a shop and collect random things. So the first item is, these are paints I got to color from Little Birdie. It was from Amazon, I think. I'll give you the price on the screen, you can just check that. Also, I'll give you the link in the description box below. If you want to buy, you can buy it from there. So I really like the color. The colors are, these are Home Decor Collection Matte Chalk Acrylic Paint. This is Muted Teal and this one is Tuscan Teal. As you all know, I love doing ocean theme artwork, so for that purpose I bought it. I haven't used it yet, but chalk paints I've already used it before, and they give a really matte finish. I really like that. It depends on you what finish you like. So I like to experiment a lot with my piece. This is the reason I buy different types of colors like acrylic, oil, these are chalk paints, and also the mica powders. Now the next one is, I got this from AliExpress in January, I think. This was for nail purpose. You can do nail art. I thought of doing some pendants with these little sheet. I really like the design and the color. You can see it gives a marble look. And I have also got few molds which I really love. I thought of doing resin jewelry, so I've got these. These are for rings. I've tried the molds. You can see it looks really very pretty and classy. I think it is very good for little girls, and very good for giving gifts. And this one is for bangle. I have made this one. It looks really very pretty. I love it. I love the color, and the color I've used is this one, Muted Teal. It has turned out really very calm color. I really like it. It's very light, and these are little gold flakes, so it's really pretty. And other one, I've got the big bangle one. I've tried making this bangle. The video is there in which I've tried 5 minutes craft videos I've seen, and I really liked their videos, and I thought of trying it. So this has turned out really great. I love it. If you've not seen my video, you can just go and watch it. It is very nice because I have made really unique things which I thought I would never make it, and they look really cool. So you can see it is a big one, very nice. So this is done. Another mold I've got for keychains. These are shaker ones. I've got these from AliExpress. This is unicorn. It's a baby foot, and this is ice cream. I have tried all the three. I've tried all the three molds. It looks really pretty. As you can see, the baby foot. This is the unicorn and ice cream. So these are all shakers. You can leave it as it is, or you can make them into shaker and give it to kids in their birthday gifts, or maybe baby shower. These are very cute and unique gifts. Another mold I've got for bookmark. This is a cat paw. So everyone knows that I really love cats. This is the bookmark. I have tried this one, making this. It's a little bendy because I just kept it somewhere. I don't remember where did I keep it. So you can give a little heat to it and it will be straightened up. There's no problem. So I think it turned out really great. It looks really cute. You have to just add a little thread here and it will be done. So whenever I get molds, I first try them and see the quality. This is the mermaid tail. I love mermaids. I have one more, but I didn't like that mold, so I had to get another one. This I got it from Amazon India, I suppose. I'll give you the price anyway. And another color which I got is this Epoch Art. This is the ultra white color. I have used so many white and I couldn't find any white which is best to be used, because sometimes you won't get the lacing, or the white is too white that it becomes difficult to work with. So I thought of getting a white which is specially for resin art. I think I spent the money on the right product, because this is a really great product. I've used this white pigment in all my projects, and the lacing it gives, there's some technique to get the lacing and to hold that lacing on your piece. I have tried it and it really worked. If you want to know that what is the technique, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make a video of it. So if you want to buy, I'll give you a link in the description box. But this is must buy and it's a really great product. So here are some keychains. I've been using the silver one, so I wanted the gold one to make the item stand out. So this is a ring which comes with it. These are around 100 or 150, I don't remember. I'll give you the information on the screen. So I've got these few bezels. I make pendants a lot, so I've got these ones. There were a lot more, those are sold out. So I haven't tried these ones. You can make maybe bracelet out of these. I'm not sure. I really like these, so I got them. Maybe I'll make, it's very good for small pendants or maybe a bracelet sort. It depends on your creativity, whatever you can make it. So I like antique colors a lot more than gold and silver, so I got many of these with the same color. These are the moon shape. Moon shaped. I like this one. I like the shape of the moon. I've never tried making pendants with these shapes, so I got the new ones because I always try the new things. It is always good to explore your art and to keep improvising, I think. And these are, and I think I got this, yeah, I got this from AliExpress, not from Amazon, AliExpress. So this is the heart one. So these are different shapes. I like this one. Square, diamond. There are various shapes. Another one are these one. You must have seen the video also. If not, then there's an Instagram picture. I make a lot of these pendants. I love this bezel. I love the size of it. It looks really very pretty. So if you have not seen my work on this bezel, you can just go on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. You can just go and follow me over there. And there's some more. These are the round ones, and these are the same shape which I've shown. And these are the gold ones. I don't have the gold jewelry finding, so I haven't made any. But I got this from a friend of mine. So as soon as the markets will be open, I'll be getting the jewelry finding in gold, and I'll be making those for sure. Alright, the next mold is this one. It is for the kids, I suppose. It looked really very cute. You can see this is another unicorn, but this is not a shaker. It's a complete mold. You have to put the color inside like this. I haven't tried this mold. Maybe I'll try it someday and I'll post it on my Instagram, maybe on the story. Another thing which I have are these real pressed flowers. I use these flowers a lot because I like the size, and these are flat. It goes very well for my pendants, so I use these. I've used many, only these are left. So there are various colors, as you can see: purple, pink, beige, blue, orange, yellow, green. There's so many colors, so I use these a lot. And next I think this is the last one for my haul. This is sand. I like this sand. You can make various beach artwork with this sand. I prefer to use the real sand from the beach, but you cannot find this color over here where I'm living right now. So this is the beige one, as you can see. I got it from a local shop in Muscat. So that's it for the video. I hope you have liked my little haul video. I wanted to do this for really long time because seriously I am missing shopping too much. I'm watching so many haul videos these days and wanted to do one of my own. So I hope you will like it. If you do, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also, thank you very much to our lovely new subscribers. Keep watching and keep subscribing. Till then, take care and stay at home, be safe. I hope everybody is safe all over the world. Till then, take care. Bye bye.